Welcome to Motor Mav. Sometimes, the Kia Soul can have a stuck sunroof. And sometimes, the sunroof doesn't close automatically. Today we are going to discuss about Kia Soul Panoramic Sunroof problems and their solution. Kia Soul's panoramic sunroof can have the following problems. Sunroof getting stuck open. The sunroof won't close by itself. The sunroof won't move along the glides. The sunroof won't open automatically. Now let's go deep into these points and get the Kia panoramic sunroof problems fixed. Problem 1, sunroof getting stuck open. Sometimes the panoramic sunroof doesn't work appropriately. It may get stuck open or just get stuck halfway. In either case, the reason is clogged dirt in the glides. To get rid of this problem, you have to clean out the debris or any material stuck in the glide or the track of the sunroof. Problem 2, sunroof won't close by itself. This can happen if the friction of the glider increases due to overuse. Just spray some grease along with the tracks/gliders to lubricate the path of the sunroof. This should make it easy for it to glide along smoothly. Problem 3, sunroof won't move along glides. If your 2011 Kia Soul sunroof not working, then the glider itself can be responsible. It can wear out over the years or can be deformed due to extreme weather. Either way, you will notice that the sunroof is not moving along the glides and getting misaligned frequently. Replace the whole glider tracks, and your sunroof should be good as new. It can cost you around $800. Problem 4, sunroof won't open automatically. A disconnected battery or lack of fuel can cause this problem. However, the sunroof may not work accordingly even if your car is full of fuel or has a stable battery connection afterward. In this case, you have to reset the sunroof. This should fix the problem all the way. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video. See you soon. Till then, goodbye.